What's up, crypto people? This is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold, and sell. So if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today is January 24, 2022 and we are on extreme fear. So CoinGecko today, we have Bitcoin 2.5% down, Ethereum 6.4% down, Binance Coin 4.6% down, Solana is 10.9% down. Yeah, mostly down, guys. Not really great day today. Polygon Matic 11.2% down. Yeah, all red, guys. All red. Yeah, not really great today. Even the weekly for the past 7 days, Bitcoin is 20% down. Ethereum is 32.3% down, and Binance Coin is 29.2% down. Terra Luna is 25.6% down. Everything is down. Avalanche is 36.9% down. Polygon Matic 39.8% down. Near Protocol 48.6% down. Yeah, guys, it's not really great for the past 7 days. Oh my goodness. SafeMoon is 200.2%. And the top gainers of the day, oh my god, SafeMoon 202.3% up. and the rest is down. Only SafeMoon. And for the past 7 days, SafeMoon is 125% up. Oh my god, SafeMoon. I didn't see this coming. The rest, top gainers actually, but not really. Top losers, CurveDAO, Harmony One, Near, Gala, Quant, Cardano, Torchain, Engine Coin, Waves, Crypto Bubbles. All red, guys. All red. So before we go to the chart, let's if you can smash that like, that would be appreciated. Let's visit first the traditional market. This one is US 100 index. It broke on the ascending channel. Yeah, S&P 500 broke on the descending channel. Dow Jones broke on the descending channel. Gold is laughing. Cup and handle about to break on this handle here, or flag formation here. And our crypto index is actually ascending expanding wedge, which is a bearish pattern, and it broke on this trend line here. And on the daily chart, looks like this also a descending expanding wedge, which is actually a bullish pattern, but we might still see the price go down and up before it breaks. So Bitcoin dominance, we have this formation of cup and handle, possible formation of handle. And on the daily chart, we have this cup handle here, and it went down. And now we're projecting, this is a descending channel, we are projecting the price to go up, and the price go up. I'm surprised that Bitcoin is down, even though the Bitcoin dominance is going up. Ethereum good dominance, possible cup and handle, and we're projecting this handle, and I think this is the handle going on here. So let's see, guys, let's see. And the total market cap is supposed to be a wedge here, but I was expecting the price break and go for a bounce back and forth here, but looks like the price broke here now, so I'm not really sure how we're going down here. And the total market too, excluding Bitcoin, similar, but still hangs on this trend line here, so that's good. And the total market tree, which is excluding Bitcoin, and the price still here. So yeah, guys, let's see. Bitcoin, this is actually on the monthly chart. This is my price prediction: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are on this ascending channel, which is actually a bearish pattern, but I was expecting one more wave somewhere at 300k. But on the daily chart, we have this ascending channel too, which is also a bearish pattern. And what I don't like is the price broke on this trend line here, which is not really cool. And if we zoom in, since the price broke. So this could be our ABC correction, and this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And yeah, I projected this ABC correction. Just follow my previous videos. But don't worry about this, guys. Probably next month we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. So let's see, guys. I hope I'm right. So I'm projecting 30k for Bitcoin, because if we measured here, this is our measured move. If you measure this one, and there you go, from the head to the neckline, and from the neckline, that's actually your measured move. But I don't see any support on this level. So let's just say here, because there's lots of support here. So if we check the support, we have a touch here, several touches here, 3 almost, 4, 5, 6, probably 7. So guys, yeah, this is my post on the group. I do have a group. You can join the group, Naked Crypto. And my last post was this one, bearish flag. And let's see if we can reach 30k. Ethereum, it broke on this trend line. It's also creating in this wedge. So let's see, guys, will it bounce back like this, or it will go down? Because there's support here, several here, and there you go. So there's no guarantee, guys. For now, Ethereum, just let's wait and see. Matic, it broke on this trend line, and we have this head and shoulders pattern, and the price went down. So let's see, there's a support here, so let's see. But if I measure our move from the head to the neckline, target is already reached. See, yeah, there's a support here too. So price struggled here, struggled here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, and it bounced again here. So let's see, guys, great buying opportunity, or we might still see the price go down on this another support here. So just be careful, guys. Solana, actually we are already on the 5th wave, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we are looking for ABC correction. Yeah, so I posted this one on the group, and almost daily I mentioned there's a bearish flag on the 1 hour, and there you go, the bearish flag from the 1 hour. So let's see, guys, if this one, so we have a support here. So let's see, guys, $66 could be a great buy, but we might still see the price go down here, 30 bucks. So yeah, guys, just happened we are already in a bear market. So Avax, I put a sell signal here, and looks like we're having a ABC correction. Let's see, somewhere here at let's say 50 bucks. So, or it's already done, the ABC correction is already done. So let's see, guys, but we might still have the potential to go here, because there's a support here, let's say here, there's a support here. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, several touches here, and possible here. So let's see, guys, but after that we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside, something like that, guys. This is just a presumption, so there's no guarantee. If we break on this trend line here, it's not really great. But for now, let's see February, guys. This could play it out. Let's see, guys. I hope I'm right. And Cardano, we are on this kopen handle, and the handle is supposed to be going down, but it went up like this, rising expanding wedge, which is actually a bearish pattern. But I was expecting one more pump, because they have project meld and some good stuff. Let's visit the 4-hour chart, And the 4-hour chart, we have this descending channel, which is a bullish pattern actually, but there was also a bearish flag. And I posted this one on the group. Are we going up, or will it break to this descending channel here? So let's see, guys. We might still see one more down here, and once it break on this descending channel, then we're good. Ravencoin, I posted this on the group, head and shoulders pattern, and now the price drop. Luna, I posted this one on the group, sell signal here, possible formation of head and shoulders pattern, and actually the head and shoulders pattern is already complete. And now, are we looking for ABC correction? So if we do measure this one from the head to the neckline, from the neckline to the, so possible this would be our ABC correction. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. So ABC correction, let's see, guys. Somebody requested BNB. So BNB, I discussed this on one of my video, 10 Ethereum killers. Check that video, guys. And we have this wedge here, pricing wedge. The price broke and it's creating another wedge. So let's see if the price will break to the upside. If we zoom in, we're still good. We have this A, B, C. We are on the C. So let's see, guys. Possible we go for a D and E, then we go up, guys. So guys, this is just my presumption. There's no guarantee. I don't have a crystal ball. Technical analysis just gives you a technical advantage. We trade on probabilities. There you go, guys. Beautiful. It's like there's a support here. So we have one almost, and several struggled here. For sure on the slower time frame, and we have this and this. Are we going up? So is it great time to buy BNB? Just comment below, guys. So Gala, I post this one on the group since here, and this is my buy zones for Gala. So right now we are already here on my ultimate buy zone, which is 0.886. Would be a great buy or not. Unfortunately, I can see the price broke on this trend line, which is not really great. But our Elliott wave, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, are we looking for 5th wave? But another scenario, guys, that I don't like, looks like a head and shoulders pattern. So, but yeah, if we are on the 4th wave right now, going to 5th wave, then for sure we are looking for ABC correction. So guys, just be careful, guys. Possible one more pump for Gala. I bought here at my own risk. Just invest what you can afford to lose. I personally bought Gala, so it's up to you guys. Possible one more pump or down. Chainlink, there you go, guys. Beautiful. I posted this one on the group, early aggressive entry, and now boom, the price already been reached. Our measured move for this one is right here, but let's see for now here, because there's a resistance here. There you go, resistance here. So guys, if you made money on Link for shorting, comment down below, guys. There you go. Stop loss has been moved. Yeah, target $8. And Luna, I posted one on the group, head and shoulders pattern, and now there you go, from the head to the neckline, and from the neckline, and there you go. Boom. I put a sell signal here since here. Guys, if you made money on Luna, if you short Luna, comment down below, guys. Luna, I posted this one on the group, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are already on the 5th wave, guys. So, but I did mention possible one more pump to the upside, but the price went down already. But there's still a chance. So right now, so we still have one more chance for sand, but it's already on the 5th wave. I didn't really buy, but I just posted this on the group. because somebody asked for it, my TA. So yeah, personally, if it's already in the fifth wave, don't go in, guys. Might still go down here actually. Let's see, guys. Could be a truncated fifth wave and we go for a correction. Well, Safe Moon, not really. It went negative actually. So I don't know, guys. I didn't invest on Safe Moon actually, but if the price broke on this trend line, then it would be good for Safe Moon. CRO, I actually bought here. I bought here again. So I did DCA. So we predicted this actually from here. I actually post this on the group. I put a sell signal here and it dropped. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and we have this ABC correction. I bought actually here, but it's on my own risk. It could go down here, but I just invest what I can afford to lose. And for ROXY Infinity, these are wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. So possible buy here and 5. So personally, guys, and I really waited for this buy here on this price here. So I bought it, but there's no guarantee, guys. I just put the money, what I can afford to lose. So we have this descending channel, it broke, and there's an ascending channel, it went down, it went up, and we are here now. Still possible, great time to buy, but there is no guarantee. Possible 4 bottom here, and we go up for the 5th wave. I could be wrong, guys. Shiba, this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. We are on the 4th wave. And we are looking for the 5th wave. So actually the price broke already on this trend line. So not good. But I draw another trend line here. Still good. So let's see, guys. Especially Shiba, guys. Just treat this as a lottery ticket. So guys, if you find this video valuable, just give me a thumbs up. And if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below. For now, trade safe. Invest well, my friends. I love you. Take care. Bye-bye.